Hi guys, it's Jim McCoy and my presentation is on birth defects. About birth defects. The study of birth defects is teratology, and teratogens are what cause deformities in the fetus. At 2 years of age, children have a 6% chance of getting a birth defect, and at 5 it becomes 8%. Things that increase the chances of birth defects are smoking, drinking alcohol, medical conditions such as obesity, or just being an older mother. Cleft lip. 1 out of 1,000 live births have a cleft lip. The cleft lip is a fissure on the median of the roof of the mouth between the oral and nasal cavity. Causes of that could cause a cleft lip is tobacco, alcohol, and corticosteroid while pregnant. Down syndrome. Down syndrome occurs when the nucleus of each cell has an extra or full copy of a chromosome. The chances for Down syndrome increases as a mother ages throughout her life. And then here's resemblance at birth of Down syndrome. Thank you.